Okay, I'm cleaning up my garage, trying to toss some stuff, get ready to take a load of stuff to the dump. As you can see, my garage is a pretty big mess. I got a lot of just stuff everywhere and things not organized. So I'm trying to clean up, make some more space. So this thing's been up on my shelf for a long time, as long as I've lived in this house, and from before then even. This is a Sam's Club brand roadside emergency kit. It hasn't been in my vehicle for over a decade. It's just been up on the shelf. It's big, it's bulky. So I took it down, opened it up, and I went, okay, there's a few things in here that maybe I'll keep, some pliers and a triangle and that air compressor. But a long time ago, as part of this emergency kit, I put some food in here, just in case. Got some oysters, Hershey's Sweet Escapes, little, I don't know, looks like a Kit Kat or something. Anyways, this has been around a while. And so I got curious. First of all, Odwalla bar. Do they still make this anymore? I don't think so. What was this like? Is this like a Cliff Bar or something? I don't know. But, if you can see, November 30th, 99. So that's like the Best Buy date, November 30th. It's March of 2019. So this bar is 20 years old. It's been sitting around 20 years and I haven't used any of this stuff. I think it's time to get rid of it. Anybody want to see what this bar looks like? $20-year-old. Oh, it's hard. Odwalla bar. Smells like chocolate or something. Okay, time to throw some stuff out.